Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Anila Qadri. This video will cover different topics from first chapter of management, that is managers and you in workplace. Before having a start, let's have a look on the topic that will be discussed. In this video, you will find answer of tell who managers are and where they work. Know how to manage your time. You will find accurate answer of explain why managers are important to organizations. You will find answer of the question describe the functions, roles and skills of managers. Develop your skill at being politically aware. Describe the factors that are reshaping and redefining the manager's job. And question number 5 will be explain the value of studying management. So now we are going to discuss these topics in detail one by one. If you ever been asked who are managers and where do they work, you need to tell first of all who is a manager. Someone who coordinates and oversees the work of other people so that organizational goals can be accomplished. Here you can see levels of management. There are basically 3 levels of management or managers. Top managers, middle managers, first line managers, and non-managerial employees. Now you need to know who are first line managers, who manage the work of non-managerial employees. Middle managers manage the work of first line managers. Top managers, they are responsible for making organization-wide decisions and establishing plans and goals that affect the entire organization. Where do managers work? Organization. Organization is a deliberate arrangement of people to accomplish some specific purpose. There are basically 3 characteristics of an organization: distinct purpose, deliberate structure, and people. Why are managers important? Organizations need their managerial skills and abilities now more than ever. Managers are critical to getting things done. Managers do matter to organizations. What do managers do? Management involves coordinating and overseeing the work activities of others so that their activities are completed efficiently and effectively. What is efficiency and what is effectiveness? Doing things right, getting the most output from the least amount of input is called efficiency. What is effectiveness? Doing the right things, attaining organizational goals. Now, this slide will beautifully identify and differentiate efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency means resource usage, low waste. Effectiveness means ends, goal attainment, high attainment. Management strives for low resource waste, high efficiency, high goal attainment, high effectiveness. Now we are going to discuss what are management functions. Here you can see basically 4 functions of management: planning, organizing, leading and controlling. What is planning? Defining goals, establishing strategies to achieve goals, and developing plans to integrate and coordinate activities. What is organizing? arranging and structuring work to accomplish organizational goals. What is leading? Working with and through the people to accomplish goals. What is controlling? Monitoring, comparing, and correcting work. Here you can see more explanation about four functions of management. Planning, setting goals, establishing strategies, and developing plans to coordinate activities. Organizing, determining what needs to be done, how it will be done, and who is to do it. Leading, motivating, leading, and any other actions involved in dealing with people. What is controlling? Monitoring activities to ensure that they are accomplished as planned. These all four functions will lead to achieving the organization's stated purposes. Okay guys, here you can see one new topic of management. Mintzberg's managerial roles and a contemporary model of managing. We need to understand what is role, specific actions or behaviors expected of and exhibited by a manager. Mintzberg identified 10 roles grouped around interpersonal relationships, the transfer of information, and decision making. Types of roles. There are basically three types of role that manager can perform: interpersonal, informational, and decisional. In interpersonal, there can be figurehead, there can be leader, it can be liaison. In informational, it can be monitor, it can be disseminator, and it can be spokesperson. In decisional, it can be entrepreneur, it can be disturbance handler, and it can be resource allocator and negotiator. Here is a diagram that can beautifully describe Mintzberg's managerial roles. You can see in purple interpersonal roles, that is figurehead, leader, and liaison. In yellow shade, you can see informational roles that may include monitor, disseminator, and spokesperson. And in greenish part, you can see decisional roles, that is entrepreneur, disturbance handler, resource allocator, and negotiator. Now coming toward management skills. Here you can see basically three skills of management: technical skills, human skills, and conceptual skills. In technical skills, that is knowledge and proficiency in a specific field. Human skills. This is the ability to work well with other people. Conceptual skills. This is the ability to think and conceptualize about abstract and complex situations concerning the organization. So now I am going to tell you guys where these skills are needed, like at what managerial level these three skills are needed. In this diagram, you can see top managers, middle managers, and lower level managers. Top managers require conceptual, human, and technical skills, same as middle managers require conceptual, human, and technical skills, and lower level managers require conceptual, human, and technical skills. Well, now important managerial skills. Here you can see different skills: managing human capital, inspiring commitment, managing change, structuring work and getting things done, facilitating the psychological and social context of work. using purposeful networking, managing decision-making processes, managing strategy and innovation, managing logistics and technology. Here you can see it is also a challenge for a manager to what? Focus on customer. Without customers, most organizations would cease to exist. Managing customer relationships is the responsibility of all managers and employees. Consistent, high quality customer service is essential. Focus on technology. Managers must get employees on board with new technology. Managers must oversee the social interactions and challenges involved in using collaborative technologies. Focus on social media, forms of electronic communication through which users create online communities to share ideas, information, personal messages, and other content. Focus on innovation, exploring new territory, taking risks, and doing things differently. Focus on sustainability. What is sustainability? A company's ability to achieve its business goals and increase long-term shareholder value by integrating economic, environmental, and social opportunities into its business strategies. Focus on employee. Treating employees well is not only the right thing to do, it is also good business. Why study management? The universality of management. The reality that management is needed in all types and sizes of organizations, at all organizational levels, in all organizational areas, and in organizations no matter where located. Universal need for management. Here you can see a beautiful diagram by which you can explain that management is needed at all level in organization. Management is needed in all size of organizations from small to large. Management is needed in all types of organizations from profit seeking organization to not for profit seeking organization. Management is needed in all organization levels from bottom to top. Management is needed in all organizational areas that include manufacturing, marketing, human resources, accounting, information system, etc. The reality of work. When you begin your career, you will either manage or be managed. Challenges of being a manager can be a thankless job, may entail clerical type duties. Managers also spend significant amount of time in meetings and dealing with interruptions. Managers often have to deal with a variety of personalities and have to make do with limited resources. Rewards of being a manager. Responsible for creating a productive work environment. Recognition and status in your organization and in the community. Attractive compensation in the form of salaries, bonuses, and stock options. Well, this is very important question. What are rewards and challenges of being a manager? First of all, we will discuss rewards. Create a work environment in which organizational members can work to the best of their ability. Second reward of manager, have opportunities to think creatively and use imagination. Help others find meaning and fulfillment in work. Support, coach, and nurture others. Work with a variety of people. Receive recognition and status in community and organization. Play a role in influencing organizational outcomes. Receive appropriate compensation in the form of salaries, bonuses, and stock options. Good managers are needed by organizations. Now coming towards challenges of being a manager. They have to do hard work. They may have duties that are more clerical than managerial, may have to deal with a variety of personalities, often have to make do with limited resources, motivate workers in chaotic and uncertain situations, blend knowledge, skills, ambitions, and experiences of diverse work group. Success depends on others' work performance. So guys, here you can see reviews of all questions. In question number 1, you can summarize your answer, like if you are being asked, tell who managers are and where they work. You can answer in summative form like managers coordinate and oversee the work of other people so that organizational goals can be accomplished. Managers work in an organization, which is a deliberate arrangement of people to accomplish some specific purpose. Summarize answer of question number 2 will be, question is, explain why managers are important to organization. In summative form, you can say, organizations need their managerial skills and abilities in uncertain, complex, and chaotic times. Managers are critical to getting things done in organizations. Managers contribute to employee productivity and loyalty. Here answer of third question will be, describe the functions, roles and skills of managers. In summative form, you can write, management involves coordinating and overseeing the efficient and effective completion of others' work activities. The four functions of management include planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Review of question number 4. Describe the factors that are reshaping and redefining the manager's job. Managers must be concerned with customer service because employee attitude and behaviors play a big role in customer satisfaction. Technology, as it impacts how things get done in organizations. Social media, because these forms of communication are becoming important and valuable tools in managing. Innovation, because it is important for organizations to be competitive. Sustainability, as business goals are developed. Employees in order for them to be more productive. Review of question number 5, and I guess this is going to be the last one. Explain the value of studying management. The universality of management. Managers are needed in all types and sizes of organizations. The reality of work, you will manage or be managed, significant rewards and challenges. So guys, this is all about chapter number 1 of Principles of Management. For my next video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.